my side, which is my wardrobe. As you can see, it's filled with a lot of random clothes. On the other side, well, blame the law school. I never thought I would be having a lot of black and white outfits until I entered law school. At the bottom here, I usually put my bags and other stuffs. Meanwhile, up here, I put my luggage that I used when I traveled back to my university in Kedah. Moving on to my study area. Up here, I got some cool frames. I always love the idea of black and white. It gives me good vibes for me to study. On the right side, I got some great photo frame which I feel with a lot of motivation with. This white table over here I got from the IKEA. It's called notebook portable table. It's so simple and white. I just love it. What I love about this table is that it can be folded, so it saves some space. This basic black chair with a roller helps me move from my study desk to my vanity table. This table was customly made. Yep, it's permanently stick to the wall. Moving on, I place all my makeup brushes inside these glasses according to its design, since I don't really have a proper place for it yet. And some cotton pad in this cute little box. This mirror light here is DIY. It's super simple and elegant. Plus, it is adjustable. Inside here, I put all my current favorite makeup product. On this top shelf, I place all my skincare products and some decoration of fake leaves as it lights up the rooms. These main frames basically sum up everything. The bed. I like to keep it simple and cozy. This cute one over here is a smiling face with a sunglasses emoji. It basically pretty much expressed me as cool, chill, and carefree. By the side of the bed, I simply lean a frame of broad and beautiful green monstera leaves, coupled with the pure and delicate white stones to add up the element of nature. This is a DIY label of a mini library of law that I made myself. Please excuse the ugliness and imperfections. Down here, basically it's where I put all my books. Well, as you can see, it's not really occupied since I left most of my books in UUM. In this dark brown shelf, I just places all decorations like frames, teddy, and sleep lamps. It's actually all of these were gifts from my dear friends. Both frames of Allah and Muhammad were handmade by me. In these sections, I make it specifically for Islamic books like Yasin and Al-Quran. This is my goal board. It's where I put all my short-term and long-term goals in which I hope to pursue in the future. Oh, and yeah, this is my DIY report card where I wrote all my results from the first semester. And I guess that's all for my small room tour. See you guys next time. Bye!